Increasingly, over the last 5 to 10 years, clients have come to me and have needed to obtain the deleted messages from a cell phone, deleted emails, pictures. I learned about a company called Forensics Corp. It has not only helped me solve many of my cases and made some very happy clients, but also has increased my business by at least 30%. Clients don't realize the trail of digital evidence that is left behind in these devices. They think that by deleting the information from these devices that the information is gone. Guess what? The information is never gone. And DFC does an excellent job of retrieving this data even when the user thinks it has been deleted. Another large segment of my business is child custody investigations. The way DFC has recently helped me with a case like this is we were able to obtain the cell phone of the biological father of a child where there was a child custody case involved. My client, being the mother, was concerned that the father was leaving the child in the care of other people while he was out drinking and gambling and doing whatever. We were able to determine that there was a lot of drug activity, purchases and sales going through the cell phone of the father. My client then was able to obtain full custody of her daughter. I know that if you are a private detective, you are receiving these types of requests. Do not let this pass you up. You will be missing a big opportunity to make a lot of money. And if you don't decide to take it, I know that someone else will.